Hey everyone, this is Arun, and today in this video I'm discussing about the construction project cash flow management in Excel that I've created using advanced Excel formulas. So here in this sheet, which is a summary cash flow, where we can see three projects X, Y, Z, for the summaries for monthly. Then we have the sub payment section and then the GC payment for 8 months currently. So before going into the details, let me show you for the project text sheet template that I have created. So here I've set the duration. So this section, whole section is a manual entry. So we can put the general conditions data here, then insurance amount, then OH fee, if possible, we can put here. And these all are the manual entries that we are creating here. And then once we fill up, we can set the start month. Currently I put 2 here, and then the duration months maybe 8, and duration weeks is 28. So now this is for 8 months and starting from 2nd of month. So this one is a second. And once I fill up this data here, we can see here, they all are the formulas. So this is the setup of monthly cash flow for 8 months right now. And we have the approximate billing per month, then sub billing per month, and CTDB billing per month. Here in these rows, these all are having the formulas, and then check billing per month as well here. So this is the template that we created for project X. So we can just put all the information to in this column here only, column F, and we can put the start month, the duration, and the duration weeks. Then again, similarly, we can do for project Y as well. And this monthly cash flow will automatically gets pulled up. The data that we are entering here in column F, all these rows will be automatically gets generated because we have provided a formula over here. And then similarly for project Z as well. So now this is the summary cash flow, and here it's automatically generated. We can see here all are the formulas. So we don't want to do anything here. This is the monthly cash flow for 8 months for project X. Then this one is for project Y, and this one is for project Z. And this one is the total. So they are, we have used all the formulas here. So we don't want to do anything here. It just the summaries that are creating here automatically. Similarly, for sub payments, as we discussed earlier, this section provides us the summaries for project X, Y, Z for sub payments, and the last row is for total. Then this one is the GC payment. Again, it's for 8 months, and for the 3 projects X, Y, and Z, and the last one is providing us the totals of each and every projects. So this one is the construction project cash flow management that I've created for 3 projects currently, but we can enhance this template accordingly to your requirements. So if you need any help, or if you are having any queries, or if you need any customizations in this template, you can request me or reach me out over my email address and my WhatsApp number that I will be providing you in the description part of this video. And we'll talk soon for the enhancements if you like this template. And do let me know if you have any queries in the comment section of this video, and do subscribe me as well for future videos in the same niche. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day there. And thanks. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.